Think you've seen every useful gadget? Think again. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 16 incredibly clever products that can make everyday life easier, safer, and more convenient. Don't miss the last one. It might be the most useful gadget you'll buy this year. Book safe with password lock. If you never save money, try this book-shaped password safe. It holds up to 100,000 in cash and is perfect for storing money, property documents, passports, or other valuables. Inside is a thick steel construction that's fire-resistant and moisture-resistant. Once you set the password, it looks just like an ordinary book on your shelf. Stylish and discreet. Neck-hanging relaxation music player. If you often feel stressed or irritated, this wearable music player can help. Turn it on to enjoy over 30 built-in relaxing tracks that play automatically. It also supports memory cards and headphones and charges via USB. Keep one at home or in your car to relax and unwind. Premium insulated tumbler. For water, coffee, or any drink, this elegant vacuum flask is a great choice. It features a 316 stainless steel double-wall vacuum liner for excellent hot and cold insulation. With a 500 milliliter capacity, a leak-proof lid, a direct drinking spout on one side, and a straw on the other, it's practical and stylish. Colorful windmill car light. If you drive often, check out this decorative windmill light. No wiring or batteries are needed. Simply peel off the adhesive backing and stick it onto your vehicle. As the vehicle moves, the wind spins the fan and activates colorful red and blue LED lights, making your ride more eye-catching and safer. Battery-free reflective windmill decoration. This version also requires no wiring or batteries. Attach it to your car, motorcycle, or e-bike, and it lights up automatically when the wind spins it while you're driving, improving visibility and adding style. Bluetooth motorcycle speaker. Ideal for electric bikes, motorcycles, and tricycles. It's waterproof, delivers loud, clear sound with deep bass, and connects directly to the battery terminals. Pair it with your phone via Bluetooth and enjoy music on the go. Mechanical kitchen timer, a useful gadget for every home. No batteries or charging required. Simply turn it to the desired time while cooking soup, stews, or other dishes. When the time is up, it rings loudly. Perfect for people who often forget things. Large water jug. If you don't drink enough water, try this durable water bottle. It's impact-resistant, heat-resistant, stylish, and has a large capacity. The leak-proof lid prevents spills, making it perfect for taking anywhere. Rainproof charger box. If you own an electric bike, this charger protector is a must-have. It features ventilation holes on the bottom. Place your charger inside, route the cable through the slot, and hang it up. It protects your charger from heavy rain while keeping charging safe and convenient. High-pressure shower head. Made from stainless steel, this shower head automatically boosts water pressure. It provides a strong, even spray for a refreshing shower and shampoo experience. Durable enough to last for years and very affordable. Portable folding stool. A compact stool you can carry anywhere. Fold it open when needed. Made of thick, high-carbon steel with durable Oxford fabric, it supports heavy weight while remaining lightweight and portable. Great for indoor and outdoor use. 18650 lithium battery smart charger. Suitable for households that use rechargeable lithium batteries. Simply plug it in and insert the battery. A red light indicates charging, while a green light means it's fully charged. It automatically stops charging to prevent overcharging and fits different battery sizes with its adjustable slot. Collapsible water cup. This 700 ml folding cup expands automatically after removing the lid. It's made from soft silicone that's heat-resistant and impact-resistant. Leak-proof and easy to fold into your bag when not in use. Solar butterfly projection light. No wiring or electricity bills required. Install it in your yard or garden. It charges during the day using sunlight and projects beautiful butterfly patterns at night. It features colorful lighting modes, is waterproof, and creates a romantic atmosphere. Jar lid opener. Struggling to open tight lids? Clip this opener onto the edge of the lid and twist a few times to remove it effortlessly. It opens lids smoothly without leaving sharp edges. 360-degree rotating nail clipper. Never worry about accidentally cutting your skin again. This premium nail clipper rotates 360 degrees, making it easy to trim fingernails and toenails from any angle. Made from hardened steel for long-lasting sharpness and durability, and it's very affordable.